Hello, my name is Bill Gates. I am born on October 28, 1955, at Seattle, Washington, United States of America. My family did not have any connection that were such to a large businessman or anyone special. I lived my life with both my parents and my two sisters. I used to spend a lot of time reading books, especially the encyclopedia. I do not like to travel often. I was educated at Harvard, but I was a dropout. I now work as the co-founder of Microsoft. I like to read books. I like to play bridge as well. During my free times with the billionaire Warren Buffett. My favorite subject during school was math. My favorite food is burger, and I like to play tennis. My first company, Traf or Data, went out of business, and I once underestimated the internet. I also underestimated Google, in which I claimed it was easy to make a search engine. In the end, being the search engine that I created was not as good as Google. A few of my achievements were National Medal of Technology and Innovation 1992, Distinguished Fellow of the British Computer Society 1994, Satellite Special Achievement Award for Outstanding Contribution to Entertainment New Media 1997, Silver Buffalo Award 2010, Bauer Award for Business Leadership 2010, Lasker Bloomberg Public Service Award 2013, London Millennium Award 2013, Padma Bhushan 2015, and the Presidential Medal of Freedom 2016.